Okay, so if you're replacing your rear brake pads in a W205, that's a C-Class from 2015 to 2021, you must do this first. Okay, so stick the key in the ignition and turn to position 1. So stick in, and 1 turn to the right, that's position 1. Now we're going to get our tripometer up. Where it says trip there, just press OK. If you're not there, you got to get here to this screen right here. And then you're going to press and hold simultaneously at the same time the phone, this phone button here, and the OK button over here. Let's just say that you're on the radio function. Press the home key and navigate to trip. Where it says trip there, just press OK. If you're not there, you got to get here to this screen right here. You have to have this screen up in order for this to work. Press and hold the OK button and the phone button at the same time. Now, this is where you want to be. So now you're going to scroll down to brake pad replace, and before you press that, make sure that your emergency brake is not on. Okay, so you're just making sure this is off. If it's on, it's not going to work. So when it's on, you have a little red park light up there. And now you pull it, you can hear it move, and the park light turns off, okay? Now you can press OK on the steering wheel, and it says move to fitting position with OK, cancel with back. So we want to move it to the fitting position with OK. Okay, so we're going to press OK. And now I can hear it moving. And it says moving to fitting position. Fitting position reached, exit fitting position with OK. So now we're going to go ahead and change the rear brake pads.
You don't have to leave the ignition on like this. You can turn it off, take the key out of the ignition, go do the rear pads, and then when you come back and turn on the ignition, this screen will pop up and you can exit the fitting position then.
And when you're done, you come back inside and you press OK. It says caution, exiting fitting position, and I can hear it going back. Okay, fitting position has been exited. Confirm with OK. So you're just going to press OK. And that's it.